Good morning. You're not supposed to be in here. Or are you? Or are you back there? None of you are supposed to be here. You're in big trouble. Oh my. Oh my. Alright, so we are pet sitting and we had high winds yesterday and their gate must have somehow opened and stayed open. So the cows are in the yard and they're not allowed in the yard.
The bowl's over there too. Great.
Where?
Right there, that big bowl.
Oh boy. Okay. Yep, way up here they've got some nice rocks that they don't want the cows to mess with.
Oh, he looks like he's rounding them up.
Oh, okay. Oh wow. We got a big boy here.
Hopefully he doesn't come over here.
We're gonna have to hop back in the car. I'll probably just drive up a little bit more. Oh my goodness.
Let me swing my rope. No, Mom, walk down the driveway.
Good job, Haley. Oh boy.
Keep walking down. I need you